Hello all. So in this lecture we will see about methods and functions in Python. So in detail we will see about methods in this video. So methods are actually functions built into objects. So in the future we will see how to create a method and link it with our own object. So in this video we can see in detail about how to find a method and get details about the method, like what are the functions associated to the method. So let's jump in. So we can understand methods in built-in objects. For that we can use a simple list example. So I'm creating a list one which contains integers from 1 to 5. So we have created our list. So we can use our methods associated with the list. So for that, initially I'm starting with the append method, which will add a new element to the end of our list. So list1 dot append, and here I'm passing the value 10. So I will print the list one so that we can see the end result. Okay, now if I run this, you can see the element 10 is added to the last entry of our list. And similarly we have seen some pop methods before. So this will pop out the element from the end of our list. So you can see the element 10 is popped out. If you again run the pop, it will pop up other element, that is 5. So you can see the element is popped out from our list. So these are like the basic default methods associated with the list. There are also several more methods which is associated with the list, but we are not going to use it too often. So we can't explore each method. Otherwise this video will be a hours and hours of video. So I'm just showing an example how you can discover methods on your own. So this way of finding method is not just limited to list. You can extend to all other user defined or predefined objects. So you just have to put a dot and hit tab, and then you will see a column of the list of methods and attributes associated with the object. So here you can see for list we have a lot of methods associated with it. So we may choose a method which we have never used before. So here I may choosing this clear method. So if you want to get help about this new methods, there was an option in notebook or any other IDEs. We can just get the documentation about this method by using the help function. So for that you just have to type help, open and close parenthesis, and then you have to copy paste this list1 dot clear, which is any object dot the method. So if you pass the same in the help function, you will get the information about this method. Here you can see the details about our method is written here. So this clear method is just clearing everything in our list one. So only you can see that pop from empty list error has occurred because our list has been completely cleared. So there is no element to pop from our list one. So similarly, you can use another method, which is you can directly go to docs.python.org, and then you can explore whatever the method you need details about. So I'm not covering this in this video. If you are interested, you can go by your own and you can learn about different methods. In cases whenever you need to use new methods, you can just go there and read the documentation about the method and the object. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we can see about functions in detail. So thanks for watching. If you feel this video is useful, then please do like, share and subscribe to what we know.